Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start now by gathering the essentials: your vehicle registration number, license, and a photo ID. Log into the DMV portal or plan a short office visit. Online is faster, but in person resolves mismatches. Enter the vehicle reg or plate to pull records. Once you retrieve the record, choose Edit Contact or Update Phone. Do this immediately so the system will prompt verification. Doing it first reduces rework and avoids expired session errors or repeat trips to the office. You'll now enter the new phone number carefully, include the correct country and area code. Once entered, request verification. Many systems send an SMS code or call. When the code arrives, type it into the site immediately. Codes often expire in minutes. If prompted, confirm which vehicle or owner record to update and review associated contact fields. Once done, accept any updated terms and click Submit. The system will display a confirmation or reference number. Note it for your records. Finish by saving your confirmation. Screenshot, print, or download the receipt and store the reference number. Once done, update link services like your insurer, parking permits, and toll accounts so alerts keep working. Changes often post within 24-72 hours. Make sure to verify the new number appears in your online account. If you don't receive verification SMS, check for carrier blocks, enable message settings, try voice verification, or visit the DMV with ID to complete the change in person.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.